Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. About a year ago I bought a toy truck body, and today I thought it would be kind of cool to maybe do something with it since it's been so long. So here's what I've got. So I've got some steel, usually the frame, and a bunch of other RC parts. Okay, so here's my idea. Kind of like this. It's supposed to be kind of ish as close as I can get it one-to-one with my real truck. So that's what we're gonna do, and then maybe you guys can help me decide on tires. I have these ones. They're 1.9 steel rims, or I have these. They're just I think they're also 1.9s, and they're black plastic. Not sure which one would look better on this truck. I'm kind of leaning towards the steel ones, and then yeah, so it's basically exactly to what my truck is. Yeah, let's see if we can't build something.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya. Kid from California, trying to make it in life. In school they never taught ya. Dreams of my own, I've been working from home. I can do it on my own, but sometimes it gets cold like persevering for my team so they can acquire cream. Find out what the words pays off really mean. Breathing life to a dream my peers wouldn't believe, but I'm running out of breath or I forgot how to breathe. It's been colder than ever, nothing like I remember. Like spring is the winter and every day is like December. So bring out your coats, bring out your sweaters. There's no telling when this weather is gonna get better, cause I remember the moments when I was thought as a joke. Now they're giving me handshakes saying it was a joke, but I ain't joking around, I'm trying to give you all hope. You can do it if you want it, man, you drive your own road. Yeah, a notebook full of raps by the end of every class. That's my formula for life, not the formula to math. Like cause it's cold outside and I don't know why. I'm just living my life, I'm just living my life. Nothing's what it seems, got a pocket full of dreams in a world that'll freeze, so enjoy the warm breeze.
Yeah, there it is. I think it turned out pretty good. I kind of like the white wheels over the black ones. I think that does it for me. So I got everything done, except for the motor. I didn't know I had a burnt out motor, so I got to order me another motor. So yeah, so I won't be able to drive this one, but maybe I'll take my other truck out for a spin in the snow for you guys, and I like it. guess I gotta order some parts for that truck. I'll get that finished up, and then I'll make another video on that in the future. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next one.